Day 2, Gratitude for the Self. Appreciating your qualities and accomplishments. Welcome to Day 2 of our journey into gratitude. Today, we turn our attention inward to cultivate gratitude for ourselves. Often, we overlook our own qualities and accomplishments, focusing instead on what we wish to improve. Recognizing and appreciating our own value is not only an act of self-love, but also a powerful source of motivation and confidence. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet place to sit. Close your eyes and take a few deep, calming breaths. With each exhale, let go of any tension or stress you might be feeling. Now, bring your focus to your heart center. Imagine a warm, gentle light emanating from your heart, filling your entire body with a sense of love and appreciation for yourself. Breathe in this light and let it soothe you. Think about your positive qualities. Perhaps you are kind, intelligent, creative, resilient, or compassionate. Allow these qualities to come to the forefront of your mind. Feel a sense of gratitude for each of these qualities. Recognize that these are intrinsic parts of who you are. Next, reflect on your accomplishments. These don't have to be monumental. They can be simple, daily victories, or moments when you are proud of yourself. With each accomplishment, allow the feeling of gratitude to grow stronger. Appreciate the effort and the journey that led to each achievement. As you continue to breathe deeply, repeat the following affirmations to yourself. I am grateful for who I am. I appreciate my strengths and my journey. I am worthy of love and respect. Spend a few more moments in this state of self-appreciation letting these feelings of gratitude and love saturate your being. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Open your eyes, feeling renewed self-respect and gratitude for yourself.